Getting rid of rust on metal can help restore its appearance and prevent further damage. Here are some effective methods. Number 1, scrub with sandpaper. Use fine grit sandpaper or use a brush to scrub the rusted area. This removes loose rust and helps prepare the surface for further treatment. Number 2, vinegar or lemon juice. Soak a cloth in white vinegar or lemon juice and apply it to the rust. Then let it sit for a few hours, then scrub the area with a brush or a cloth. Number 3, baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply it to the rust, let it sit for about a couple of hours, and then scrub it off. Number 4, rust remover products. Use commercial rust remover solutions that contain chemicals designed to dissolve rust. Follow the instructions on the product for best results. Number 5, protect the paint. So basically, after removing the rust, clean the surface and apply a rust-inhibiting primer and paint it to protect from future rust. Keep it dry, number 6, to prevent rust from coming back. Keep the metal surface dry and consider, applying a protective coating. Using these methods, you can effectively remove rust and maintain your metal items.